Caravel's Crittenton here, aka Miss Success, and I just finished my walk for my No More Procrastination diet. Actually, my 2-a-day, so it was my second walk. Sun's getting ready to go down, but I just wanted to quickly tell you guys I started a new series, 2-minute happiness tips. And I just kind of wanted to tell you guys why I actually started that. It's kind of funny. I did a post on my Facebook page the other day, and it was about, the fact that happiness is a choice. You decide whether or not you're going to be happy or sad or depressed or whatever in any given moment of your life. Now, it seems kind of counterintuitive because we're so used to saying, this thing happened or that thing happened, so I'm happy for this thing, or I'm sad about that thing, or I'm depressed about the other thing. But in reality, everything that happens in life happens for whatever reason it happens for. Some people say, everything happens for a reason, and that really pisses, I'm going to move out of this sun because it's kind of hot. But that statement kind of pisses some other people off because they say, all these bad things happen all the time, so why are you going to tell me that happened for a reason? Okay, I don't want to argue or debate that point. But what I do want to say is that you being happy in whatever the situation is totally and completely up to you. So I decided, to start these little 2-minute happiness tips every day just to give you guys some things to focus on, especially if you're a person that's kind of prone to being sad or depressed, or maybe you kind of feel like a victim sometimes. Listen, we have all had things happen to us in life, and I can sit here and tell you some stories of things that happened in my life that were literally curl your hair if if it's straight, or straighten it if it's curly, or grow hair on a bald head. But it's a choice in how I respond and how I react to those things that have happened in my life, just like it's a choice for you and how you respond and react to the things that happen in your life. And I'm not saying that it's always easy, because sometimes it's not, but it's up to you to decide, hey, I'm going to be happy. I'm not going to let this thing, no matter what it is, defeat me or define me, more importantly. So that is just what I wanted to tell you today. Just want to let you know why I started the 2-minute happiness tips. I'm really hoping that they will encourage you guys each and every day. I'm going to try to get them done for you each day. So that's my plan. All right, you guys, Caravel's Crittenton, and today I'm challenging you to be happy. Find at least one thing that you can really, really, really be happy about, and then just feel as much happiness about that thing as possible. All right, you guys have a great day. Talk to you soon. Caravel's Crittenton. Bye.